Deep clean your Ninja Double Oven accessories without damage. A careful clean keeps non-stick coatings intact, stops smoke and odors. Here's the safe way to do it. Step 1. Power down and cool completely. Unplug the oven and let it cool all the way. Never immerse the main unit in water. Remove all accessories before washing. Step 2. Air fry basket and wire racks. Soak in warm, soapy water for 10 to 15 minutes, then scrub with a non-scratch nylon brush. These parts can go in the dishwasher, but hand washing helps them last longer. I've linked the soft nylon brush I use in the description. It's safe on non-stick mesh and racks. Step 3. Sheet pan care. Do not put the sheet pan in the dishwasher. For baked-on grease, soak it in warm, soapy water, even overnight, then clean with a non-abrasive sponge or nylon brush. Skip steel wool and harsh cleaners that scratch finishes. Step 4. Crumb tray reset. Hand wash only and empty it often. Dry fully, then reinstall it below the lower heating elements, not in a rack position, so it catches drips and keeps airflow clear. Step 5. Interior and glass door. Use warm, soapy water in a soft cloth. Apply cleaner to the cloth, not directly into the oven. Avoid abrasive pads and chemical oven cleaners. Dry every surface before heating again. Step 6. Built-in thermometer and holder. Wipe the metal probe tip with a damp cloth and dry. Do not immerse the cord or connector and never put the probe in the dishwasher. Store it dry in its holder. Step 7. Reassemble and prevent buildup. Lightly grease accessories or line with cut-to-fit parchment for future cooks. Keep parchment and foil away from the walls and heating elements, and never use parchment on broil. If coatings are flaking, parts are warping, or heavy residue won't come off after these steps, contact Ninja Support using the link in the description. If this helped you deep clean safely, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a non-scratch nylon cleaning brush, I've linked the one I use below. Gentle on non-stick, tough on baked-on bits. Thanks for watching, and keep the clean in the pan, not on the coils.